Appreciate y'all tuning in to another edition of Riding with Purpose. Buckle your seatbelt up for this one today, ladies and gentlemen. This one's gonna be hard to stomach. But in order for you to go to that next level, to go to that next place in your life, in your marriage, in your business, in your career, it's time for you to unplug. Unplug for some people, places, and things. What happens when you take the plug out of a socket from a light bulb? There ain't no power that can go to that light. So it's time for you to take the power, take the energy out of some relationships that you built, some of the places that you go to, situations that you put yourself in that are not adding any value to your life or to your career. Family members you put yourself around that are not adding any value, any substance, anything positive. It's time to unplug. Will it hurt? Yes. Will it be uncomfortable? Yes. Will people agree with you? No. But if you want to see your life go to that next level, I strongly suggest that you unplug. I want you to go back and reevaluate. Take inventory this week of the people that's around you, your inner circle. Take inventory of your family members around you that don't mean you any good. Some places that you go to. Take inventory, think about it, and ask yourself, is this adding any value to my life? If it's not adding value, you don't need it. A positive and a negative gives you what? A positive and a negative gives you what? So ladies and gentlemen, I want you to think about that. I love you guys. Thank you for tuning into another edition of Riding with Purpose on the Ridin' Dirty Radio Show with my boy VicXL, 89.3 FM radio. Peace.